chicken.
Pampering. Time.
Hi, I'm Rainey.
And I'm Lynette.
In 2021, we made the decision to sell our home in the East Bay and relocate to the foothills of California.
Join us in our journey living the foothill life. Is everybody ready for a bath?
Bath time. Try to sit down because
Close that so she don't fly
Oh,
out.
yeah,
Close that, huh? You're all right, girl. You're all right.
I wonder that is.
You got her real quick. I'm just gonna pull up my sleeves.
So today the chickens are getting their feet washed. They're going to get sprayed for, what is it? Mites? Mites. Whether they have them or not. It's going to get a little chicken care.
Oh, butt's getting wet. We have to
A
dry
little
it.
preventative maintenance.
She's like, this is nice and warm and nice.
I don't want to play with these.
So that's what you do with your chickens, huh? Is rub their little feet.
Yeah, but my chickens are
Much more gentle, huh?
immersed. Well, they get immersed in the water.
Oh, they'll just
Well,
drop
her butt
down.
got
Oh, yeah.
wet. Her butt got wet.
Yeah, they lay down in the sink.
You're such a good girl. What are we gonna name you?
They don't have mites on their feet, do they?
No, their legs look really good. They have no raised scales.
She's like, what are you doing? Is that what a massage is?
All right, girl. All right, you're good. You can sit down. They like to hold on. They want to feel something under their feet. All right, Treem, will you have me a towel?
Yeah.
Dry off her feet, and I'll moisturize
She's
her
got little
face.
boo-boos back there, see?
There you go.
All right, girl.
What are you moisturizing with? Bag balm?
Bag balm.
And poultry first aid
And,
for the little.
Yeah, on her butt,
Yeah.
we're gonna put some of the poultry first aid.
I
It's
think
this one, right?
Yeah.
we're gonna spray her first, right?
Yes.
And if it's on Amazon, I'll put a link below.
It is on Amazon.
It is? Both of them?
Go
Perfect.
ahead if you want to get your spray.
Where is it?
In the,
That bottle that's down there?
So just like do their vent, right? Their
I
backs, I do everything.
So what is that stuff you're using, Rainey?
This is Elector PSP.
Elector PSP?
come here, girl. I know.
You're okay. You're okay.
Spray bottle.
Do your chickens fight it at all?
No.
Sometimes they do some flapping.
Sophie. Sophie does.
But for the most part, they're all pretty
Yeah,
good.
I just think it's because it's happened more than once, so they're like used to it.
Yeah.
Again.
Okay, I think that's good. That's probably good. We'll get under her wings.
Here, you want me to get her hair? And I want to get her taint. No, this isn't. No, this is
You
the
mean
bad one.
her vent?
Your van? How you doing?
Is she hairless on her
Try
vent?
not
Yeah.
to spray her actual vent. Maybe below it.
I don't see it. Do you see anything?
It's no, you don't want to spray her vent. Okay, I'll rub that in. I will put spread.
What do you think's causing it?
Are they picking on each other?
It could be because her skin. I mean, other than it being a little red, she looks good. A little squishy butt.
Mm.
We'll get under her wings. I don't know if they have mites or not, but
Just a little prevention.
Yeah, just a
it's
little
nice and warm.
prevention.
So
Rainey already treated the whole hen house and the
Yeah.
run and everything.
okay.
Not that they have them, but you know, it's just good to do, right?
Yeah.
100%.
good girl. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are.
I know, sweetheart. My hand there.
Hey, what you guys doing to me?
Okay, now what?
I'm gonna let that
You're gonna do.
Soak in.
get down to her skin, yeah, and then I'm gonna blow dry her a little bit.
I'm gonna put the bag ball
yeah.
and stuff on her. Want me to do it?
You can moisturize her comb, her ears, and her,
Do I need a lot?
well, enough to
She's
like,
like,
wet
what are you
it.
doing?
This my chickens fight me on.
Yeah,
Okay.
But you know what? It's good if they're fighting you on it.
You think I got enough?
Watch.
Watch the master.
No,
Oh.
I really get them moisturized. It's up to you how much you want to use.
You're such a good girl.
No, yeah, those things, they
Her-
usually like that. They usually like those rubbed.
Yeah,
Ours
ours
do.
do. Our love.
Really?
They love to have their wattles rubbed. Love it.
Well, she's not minding it now.
Yeah.
One thing at a
It's just
time.
the crown.
The comb.
The comb. All right, that's probably good.
You guys got her ears?
Yeah, get her ears.
Get her ears too.
Yeah.
I moisturize under their eyes and over their eyes. They get a treatment.
Yeah.
That's a good girl.
Pasty butt. Bring my girl back.
All right.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Are you gonna put a band around her ankle?
Yes, let's
What
do
about
glue
that
on
first
her.
aid ointment? Are you gonna put that on her little?
Oh, on the butt.
little
The poultry-
Oh, is it wet? Too wet?
The poultry first aid?
Just dry it in, right?
Yeah, just dry it in.
No, I can rub it on there. Her feathers will still dry.
So we don't know if this is molting or if they're picking on each other.
Or mites. I don't see mites.
You can't see
I don't
mites,
see
right?
eggs. Can you see
No.
mites' eggs? Hi, baby girl. You're so pretty. You're such a good girl.
I think she's liking it now.
She's like the pampering. Yes, you do.
That's a good girl.
She just wasn't quite sure what to do with the water.
It's their first time.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And ours are in the bath every week.
Full on bath or sometimes just feet?
Not all of them on the same
Not
day.
all of them on the same day, but a full on bath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one should I put it on? Her right one? Or
Uh-huh.
left, I mean?
Yeah, when you squeeze it, just click it together. Just like that.
And their chickens have diapers that they wear in the house.
Only when they're in the house.
Yeah, when they're in their house getting their pampering session.
You want to hold her just so she
Because
doesn't.
they will poop. We timed it every 20 minutes.
Every 20 minutes?
They shit every 20 minutes. Oops.
There you go.
That's okay. You can say shit.
Yep, she's
Okay.
on.
All right, now what?
Her band
Did you
I'm
put the
gonna-
bag balm on her butthole?
or her feet.
I'm gonna do her feet,
Oh, okay.
her legs. Can you see under there?
You're such a good girl. Yes, you are.
She got her bracelet on her ankle too.
Now we gotta name them.
Yeah.
You just want to help us name them?
I don't know.
Tina will name.
Well, one of them's got to be Reba.
Yeah, one of the reds.
One of your
One of the
reds,
reds.
yes.
I think
She was the little
smallest
one. Because we called her Reba
Yeah.
when we first got her.
That's a good girl.
I think I kind of like this. How do you think Pastey Butt's gonna take it?
Oh, I don't think
He's
he'll
gonna-
like it.
We might just spray him and that's it.
Yeah, he may not get
Just
a.
to,
Watch him shock
just on his
everybody.
back butt where he's like.
Wouldn't that be funny if he shocked everybody?
Oh,
He
it
was standing here and
would.
he's like sitting in the water.
Yeah,
She did really good.
She did.
she did.
For her
Great
first
job.
time.
Did we put this on her butt?
I did.
Oh,
Yeah.
Good.
And her
Yeah,
backside.
but I do want to blow dry her a little bit.
Okay, I'll hold her. You blow dry her. You want to get under her wings and stuff, right?
Yeah. You don't. I don't know if you have to hold her.
They usually like
I don't think she'll take off.
No.
I like the warmth.
Yeah. They don't mind ours. Love the blow dryer.
Don't forget
Love
to
it.
get her little bottom where she got a little bit of butt feathers wet.
Is that a special blow dryer for chickens and ducks?
It's a duck dryer for dogs.
Oh, for dogs.
Yeah, it's actually for dogs.
Really warm.
Is it too warm? Is it warm on your hand?
It's warm on my
Hot?
hand.
Hot or warm?
Well, in between. Is that you fine?
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah. As long as it's not.
She's not complaining.
She may not go anywhere.
We'll be right here. That's where we go. She's being beautiful. What a good girl. Her claws
It's like,
got
hey, the
food.
only one that gets there in my neck is Daddy-O. This girl's pretty good.
Girl, she's a good girl. Look how pretty your waddles
Look
are.
at you.
I know.
They're all nice and bright red now.
She's not stressed, is she?
No, she's fine. That'll go away.
Probably will be. The hens will be. I don't know. Like I said, Pastey Butt might be in and out just to get his treatment.
Let me dry her down here a little bit.
Her bed looked pretty clean, huh?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, she's lost a lot of feathers.
Yeah, her little butt.
Is that bulge normal?
Yeah, that's her butt.
That's her butt?
Yeah. You just don't. That's her fluffy butt. You don't see it
Oh,
because
okay.
of their feathers.
Yes, cooperative.
Is that the littlest red? I think she just shit on you.
Did she?
He'll get his turn.
Oh yeah, she did.
Nice, sweetheart.
It may have went to the ground maybe.
Nice, sweetheart.
I'm gonna try to keep her butt out.
Hi, sweetie. I couldn't put my hand. Oh,
Is
you got
this-
your
Yeah, I
hand
got
between
her
legs?
butt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this Reba?
We can name her Arabia because I just grabbed whatever one would let me grab her.
You don't remember if that's the littlest one?
She's pretty tiny, like our girls.
Oh yeah, the.
You can also put them all. We can also put them all.
Oh,
Yeah,
just
right there.
barely touched it.
We can put them all in there, and then
Well, I didn't touch it. But
color. They're all color coded now. We can name them from there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
she's like, oh, butter.
Oh, kind of like this.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, girl. Let's wash your toes. All right, I'm gonna pick up your foot so I can wash under it.
I thought all their butts are gonna get wet.
Actually, she looks pretty good. Like she's.
She didn't get as wet as the other one, but she's still a little wet.
Yeah.
They'll be fine. They'll dry.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, sweetheart, you're such a good girl. Such a good girl.
Breath smells. Oh. What are you doing, girl? It's a good girl.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, pretty girl. It's a pretty girl. I know. She's like, oh, I don't like. Oh, it's sore. Maybe sore.
Yeah, because it is coming out.
Like,
What you doing, girl? What you doing?
Okay.
dermatology, and they said we're gonna freeze it. That's what we want. Put it out.
Ready?
Yep.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, baby girl.
Her got dirty feet.
Yeah.
She does.
Okay. You want
got her
to just
butt.
put your hand under there? There you go. All right. You're not as
Oh,
happy.
we got a little feisty one.
I know. It's all right. You're all right.
She look at all her feathers.
Yeah. That's a good girl. You have poopies.
You got poopies?
Poopies on
You're
your
not
toes.
poopy on me.
Poopies on your toes.
She's like, what's going on? This needs to be greased good.
Yeah. We'll get it.
She has a bigger comb.
Okay, I'm gonna try to pick
One
up
of our
this
bar
foot.
rocks
So
come
just
is
hold
so
your hand
big
on her
that it
back.
flips
Flips over.
Okay. Okay. Can I
Okay,
wash
I
this
got
foot?
And they're not. She don't have sores or anything.
On her feet?
Yeah.
Not at all.
She just got dirty feet.
Just dirty. No, her scales are flat. Her scales are all the way down. She got a dirty toe.
Cockatoo. It's a cockatoo.
You got cockatoos, mama? They're all mamas to me.
That's what we call our mamas.
She's like, oh, I'm kind of digging this now. Now that I know that I'm not here for dispatching.
Right?
Right.
So I need a full bath.
I mean, hold her. Or...
You want a sprayer?
Oh yeah, spray first because we wanted to try.
Yeah. All right. All right, girl.
Yeah, we thought she might have been egg bound, but I got all the way fucking up there and there and
Nothing.
nothing. And she shit as soon as I took my finger out.
I would shit too if you had your finger in my ass.
Right.
Right. It out.
That's what I said. I think that's normal.
All right, girl.
They don't like the
Say,
spray.
be careful, mama.
Maybe it's is it cold?
Yeah, it got cold.
I am getting a cramp in my frickin' toes. Damn it.
Why are you getting the cramp in your toes?
I don't know.
Bend them.
Look how pretty you
Oh
are.
no, if
Chicken,
I
chicken,
bend them, I'm
chicken.
screwed.
Oh,
This way.
Get her wing in her
neck?
neck.
Yeah.
Let's get her wing.
All right, mama. All right. She's like, oh, I don't like that. I don't like that.
And then Pastey Butt hears her.
All right. Oh, yeah.
oh,
Oh, at least it's not toxic to her.
yeah.
Yeah.
Non-toxic.
We'll let that soak in for a minute.
She don't have any sores.
No. Just do her
I think she's Reba.
head.
Oh, you do? You think she's Reba?
She's pretty tiny. I don't know. The other one's pretty tiny too.
The other one was pretty. Ask Tina. She was holding them.
She was tiny.
tinier than this one.
Yeah, I think so.
Look at her turning her head sideways. What are you doing?
What's that?
Little to the left. Oh yeah, that's it right there. That's
You
what's
like
up.
that?
Did you put the stuff grease on the bottom of their feet too?
Not.
She
No.
doesn't. She doesn't.
'Cause
want
when
the
they
dirt
walk-
sticking to it.
Yeah. Can I get your ear? Pretty girl. Under your eyes. Oh, under your eyes. Under
How
this eye.
moisturized you are now.
Under this eye. Come on. That's
Not
a
used to
good
this
girl.
treatment.
No, she's like,
She liked it though.
Good. Should know by now where I can hurt her. She actually's she's closing her eyes. She loves
she
it.
likes it.
I give a gentler touch than me. I just
It's me.
You are rough.
is she a little black on top?
She might have been
She
bit.
got a little.
That's a bite.
Oh, is it
It's dried blood.
by one of the birds? They all pick on each other. It's just ridiculous.
Right. Yeah.
You hear that? Pastey Butt?
Yeah, it's chicken. You making eggs?
You making eggs, Mama?
Is that your eggs on? What is that? What is that? What is that? She's not too sure of it. Yeah.
She don't mind that.
Maybe she feels comforting the way you're holding her.
Yeah, we're both in there, and he just fucking.
He's went right around her,
Uh huh.
right into me.
Okay, girl. All right.
The big black one is running
Can you
from
move
us.
her forward a little bit? There you go. I got her. If you
Are you
want
sure?
to stand up, yeah.
I was just trying not to You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, here, you want to sit?
Yeah, she just don't sit on my glasses.
Bend over. Where are they?
They're next to you on the left.
Oh, she's dirty. All up here on her leg. Her beak's even dirty. Look at it.
Yeah.
At each other.
Yeah.
That's what I think's happening, yeah.
And I bet you when it warms up, because all of them are growing their feathers back. She's really got a lot of brand new growth. I'm gonna hold her. You'll have to lift
Oh,
up
that's
her
cool.
feathers.
Yeah, you don't want to hurt her too bad. Let me get around the neck or just do those.
It's up to you. Whatever you're comfortable with. If you're comfortable with just putting it on their butt,
I just don't know if they have mites, but let's just do it since we did it to all of them.
just a little bit. Rub it in. Get that down to her skin.
She likes that.
Yeah, she does.
Good girl.
Chicken bit.
Chicken
She's
vent.
got a little dirty butt.
Look at she's puckering her vent.
Good looking vent you got there, girl.
Her skin just looks really.
Poor dude, he's fine.
You didn't get any worms.
mites now, so
Can I sit you
I don't know,
down?
maybe we could just stand back and just spray him.
Spray 'em.
Come
Yeah.
I know. Come here. Come here.
I help.
I just want to pull my sleeve up.
Come here, Mama. She's gonna be hurting.
Yeah,
She's
I'm
wet.
going to be very careful on her little. All right, we're
think
going to
the
be
water's
quick.
getting
It is cold.
Yeah, let her get adjusted to the water.
I mean, it's not freezing, but. Hi, sweetheart. No.
Okay, that's good.
All right, baby. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right.
I don't even want to touch it. She's
Maybe
the worst
spray
out
it
of
in
the
your
reds.
hand, hun, and get it the temperature of your hand, and you're just
Would be
putting
too
medicine
hard.
on it.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm just
No, we're
trying
putting-
to spread
rub
it
it
on
in.
her skin. All right. That's a good girl.
Trying to write on my knee. Looks pretty bad.
You got them all? Did we name the black one?
We have one black to do. That's
Oh,
Barbara
Jean.
Mm-hmm.
Pastey Butt. This is
Uh-huh.
Reba. The yellow. This is gonna be Cheyenne.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Then your green one that just already
Rosie.
done. That's Rosie, and we got
We
three
still have to.
more.
Oh, this one's done. Purple.
No.
Yeah, I check marked it. The purple
She's
one
not
was
gonna
the
like
first
her
red
comb.
we did.
Oh. What name should we give that one?
What name do you want to do?
There was a red one?
Another red.
My finger because I don't want it
Oh man,
to
that
have
looks
to
like
press.
The one that's eating the frickin' extension cord.
Your turn, Mama. There you go. Stand up. Stand up.
Girl. You ready to get your feet clean?
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
Careful with her little wing.
You're all right.
I can hear her breathing. It's so cute.
Get your. Sorry, I'm not grabbing your boob.
I don't think you were close to my boob.
All right. So what's the name of this one?
You want to dump some more hot water in there?
It's all in here.
Oh, is it?
It is. I didn't add any cold water at all.
They'll survive.
Yeah, it's not freezing, it's just on the colder side.
That black one's the last one, and she do. Now on Geeka, I think she's the king shit of the black, all of them. She's the mother.
She's a big girl. Yeah, it's a good girl. get wet? Huh? Did your little butt get wet?
She got a little dark feathers here.
Ours have those too, the black.
Hers are,
feathers.
theirs are more black.
Yeah.
All right, let's turn you this way. I know.
She's like the best one of
She's
them all.
being a good girl, yeah.
Hi,
I think
sweetheart.
you're a Hannah.
Hi, sweetheart. It's
You wanna rub
pretty
that in?
girl. All right.
You're
all
good,
right.
girl.
I love that. Feels good.
Yeah.
All right, girl. All right. All right. All right. Okay.
She just lands on you. They don't want to
They-
fly away, huh?
No, they want to know their feet are stable on something.
She's already on face.
She's a big girl.
She's the biggest
She
one
is.
of them all.
She's big.
Got it?
Yeah.
I'll hold it from the
Just,
top.
yeah, just hold her back. That way
Yeah.
you can stand straight out.
You are a big
Love her
mama.
black legs.
You are a big mama. She's got a ton of hair up here.
Her feathers look really
Here's her purple band.
Miss
good.
Mariah.
Big chicken leg. Love a big chicken.
She's a big
Thank
girl.
you, ladies, for coming and
Yes,
helping
thank
us.
you. Appreciate
Oh
it.
my
There's no way we
gosh.
could have done this.
Oh
No.
my gosh, you guys help us with everything, please. We're happy to be
Yeah,
here.
it's the least we can do.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. This is Big Mama right here.
Hi, girl.
And this is Tina. You guys know
Bye.
these guys.
Hi, girl.
It's a good girl.
All right, you're done, I think. I know. I'm being careful.
Dirty butt. Dip that in the water.
And pick up your foot.
See you next week.